Hello everyone, Sean Herrick here with Prairie Grit. Today I want to show you guys a new feature that we just launched, which is essentially a shipping calculator. Um, if you've been with us for a while, you know that we used to only offer flat rate shipping, but as of this week, we are now offering uh, multiple options with a calculated shipping. I'm going to go ahead and show you how this works. Essentially what you do is you add a new product. And let's go ahead and just name the product test 2. For the sake of the video, I'm not going to load an image. Select the category, add a little description. So in your calc, here's the calculator right here. Essentially what you have 3 options. This item ships free, use dimensional shipping, or flat rate. I'm going to go ahead and add the calculated or dimensional shipping. Here's a little explanation on how this little box works here. Essentially, you have your pounds and ounces. You can put pounds and ounces. Here's an example. For 5 pounds, 3 ounces, it would be 5.3. For just 5 pounds, it would be 5. And then for 3 ounces, it would just be 0.3. So if you want to use first class USPS on something that is relatively lightweight, you can do that, and the calculator will show that price. But anyway, for this test, we're going to go 5 pounds, and we're going to go 10 inches by 10 inches by 10 inches. Here's all of your options. You have UPS, all of the options within UPS. You have USPS, all of those options, and FedEx. So we're just going to use partial select for this example. Inventory, I'm going to add a couple more of these. Create new product. Now the product is created. We're going to go ahead and view it. I need to log out of this. We can add the product to the cart. View the cart. Proceed to checkout. And I'm going to load my information in here quick. Now you notice I have a lot of my information in here. Once I load the zip code, it's going to calculate. And there you go. $7 to ship this item, $1 for the item, and just go ahead and put your credit card information in. And yeah, so that's how that works. But let's say I wanted to change that to this one to flat rate. Let's say somebody says, hey, I'll give you $2. You ship this for $2, I'll buy it today. And you're like, oh, that's a good deal. Go in to your shipping options. Flat rate. And you put your flat rate amount, $2, and per quantity adjustment means, hey, if somebody buys 3 of these, how much more additional do I want to charge them per item? So you might want to put $1. So that would be $2 for 1 item, and then total of $3 if they order 2. Update product. and that's it. Now the shipping on the front end will be $2. And obviously same goes for flat rate shipping. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy this new feature. Send us an email or give me a call anytime to answer questions. Thanks for your time.